Yes. Okay, y'all understand what I mean is that I'm trying to give you context, clown context, for doing a turn in order to leave. And the part of the act is this jacket deal. Okay.
So there's two snowmen in the field, and one of them says to the other, "Can you smell carrots?"
How do you spy the LGBT community? Lesbianage. Did you hear about the Dutchman with inflatable shoes? He popped his clogs.
Right, off we go.
And stop. Oh, freeze. And go again. Now, go. There it is. Yeah. No, good. Oh, yeah, you start like that. Okay, go.
Jump.
Look at us. Now, play this looking at us. Go. You have to look at us all the time, playing the jacket deal. Look at us all the time. Freeze. You have to be still. No arms juggling. Be happy. But don't jiggle. Okay, so what I'm saying is, in order to be the act, we have to understand that you understand that it's an act.